Slurry and microsurfacing samples 15 and 16 have been packaged and are being shipped to your laboratory. The official shipping date for these samples is September 12, 2024. However, your laboratory may receive the samples before that date. Upon receipt of the box, carefully open it and check to see if the sample components were damaged in shipment or if one is missing. If you are missing any of the components described in this video or do not receive your samples by September 26, 2024, please contact us immediately. You should find the following components in each sample box: one 8 kilogram bag of fine aggregate that is 100% passing the 4.75 mm number 4 sieve, one 200 gram bag of cement, one 500 milliliter bottle of distilled water, and one 1 quart bottle of emulsified asphalt. The information for preparing the batches can be found in the sample instructions on the AASHTO resource website. Please follow the batching instructions with as much accuracy as possible. For this sample type, please determine the moisture content of the sample as received in accordance with the sample instructions. Use the as received moisture content in part of the mixture formulation for the amount of water needed. Please do not dry the entire sample. The closing date for this round is November 7, 2024. All AASHTO accredited laboratories must test the samples for each method that fall under the laboratory scope of accreditation. For specific requirements, please review the accreditation policy on PSP participation, which can be found on the AASHTO accreditation documents page on the AASHTO resource website. Finally, all pertinent information, such as sample instructions, data sheets, and safety data sheets, can be found on the AASHTO resource website in the Data Sheets and Instructions page. Thank you for your commitment to quality, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.